Hello friends, I am Dilip Davada, contributing editor on Chitradurga.com for IPO reviews. As we are seeing a mid race for the main board IPOs for the week, and which is second last week before the end of the fiscal. So I think being a hectic week for the primary market investors and so many options available, investors has to become choosy about the IPO with their limited funds because of year end. And today I am going to discuss with you the main board IPO, which is opening on 16th of March and closing on 18th of March. Yes, it is from a jewelry manufacturing brand called Kalyan Jewellers Limited, which is spending about 2.5 to 3% every year for their branding, and has already appointed many brand ambassadors like film stars and the players of some games. So here if we talk about this company, the company is coming out with an IPO of about 1175 crore, out of which 800 crore is by way of primary offer and 375 is by way of secondary offer. The company has reserved about 2 crore worth of shares for their employees and offering a discount of rupees 8 per share. The company has fixed the price band of 86 to 87 rupees per share, and a minimum application is to be done for 172 shares and in multiples thereafter. But if we talk about the financial of this company, it is somewhat surprising, because though company is claiming that it is the second number organized player in the domestic market, and first one is of course Titan Industries, which is doing very well, and there is a wide gap between the number one and number two player on all financial parameters. So if we talk about the Kalyan Jewellers financial parameters, the company has posted a net profit of about 141 crore on a turnover of over 10,580 crores for the fiscal 18. For the fiscal 19, it has reported a loss of about 4.86 crore on a turnover of 9,814 crore. For FY20, it posted a net profit of 142.28 crore on a turnover of 10,181.02 crore. So company has shown inconsistency in its top and bottom line for these three fiscals. Yes, company has clarified that for the fiscal 2019, because of flood-like situation in the southern part of our country, where it dominates the play, it has witnessed some sort of setback. But if we talk about the current fiscal for the first 9 months of the current fiscal 21, which ended on 31st December 2020, the company has posted a loss of about 80 crore on a turnover of 5,550 crore. So the loss has widened for the first 9 months of the current fiscal, and based on this, the pricing of the IPO is at a negative PE. So I am not convinced about this company's financial. Though company says everything is over and now they are set for some good returns, but still I think we will have to wait for the financial results from this company for next 2 to 3 quarters. But for a while I would only recommend that it's better to stay away from this IPO. If at all you want to invest, you can invest at your risk. Otherwise you can even consult your financial advisor before taking any final decision for investment in this IPO. Thank you.